Every year, more than 1.5 million tons of sardines are caught worldwide, a staggering figure that makes this small fish the backbone of the global seafood industry. More than just a humble fish, sardines are an essential, nutrient-rich food source, appearing in the meals of millions of families, particularly through those familiar canned sardines. But behind every shiny can on the supermarket shelf lies an intricate journey of harvesting, processing, and transporting that stretches across continents. Today we'll take you to explore the remarkable journey of sardines from the ocean to the dining table in the global industry. The story begins at sea, where modern fishing fleets venture into the fertile waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans during peak sardine season, which runs from late spring to early autumn. Unlike tuna that must be caught individually or mackerel that require drift nets, sardines are captured using a spectacular method called light trapping. At night, powerful floodlights are switched on, turning the ocean's surface into a glowing stage that lures massive shoals of sardines to the surface. Drawn by instinct, the fish gather into huge schools, sometimes weighing hundreds of tons. Once detected by sonar and radar, enormous purse seine nets are deployed, encircling the glittering shoals in a swift, silent sweep. An entire school can be captured in a single, precise maneuver, filling a ship's hold within minutes. From there, sardines are immediately chilled in ice bins or frozen in deep cold storage compartments at about -20 DECG, preserving freshness for the long journey back to shore. When the boats dock, the real transformation begins. Sardines are unloaded, size graded by powerful machines and transferred into insulated containers packed with ice. These containers head straight to modern canning factories, where fully closed-loop processing systems ensure hygiene, efficiency, and speed. Upon arrival, sardines are immersed in large brine tanks. Coarse salt is sprinkled over each layer, and the fish soak for 2 to 6 hours. After brining, sardines are rinsed with high-pressure water jets, up to 50 liters per minute, to remove salt, sand, and impurities. Clean and glistening, they pass through automated sorting lines where rotating discs grade them by size, ensuring each can meets strict uniform standards. With a capacity of up to 5 tons per hour, these systems handle volumes unimaginable just decades ago. After sorting, the sardines are processed by removing their heads, intestines, and rinsing them with cold water to remove mucus and impurities. Because of their thin skin, soft flesh, and small bones, the fish are fragile, so precision is required. Workers wear gloves, inspect them by hand, and remove any damaged fish by sight. On average, each person can process more than 1,000 fish per hour, then arrange them in stainless steel baskets with drainage holes. Before steaming, the fish are washed again in the baskets with clean water to remove any remaining blood and dirt. Some factories use automatic cutting systems with sensors, processing 5,000–7,000 fish per hour. Next, the fish is steamed at 100 and 110 dLC for 10–15 minutes to lightly cook the fish, making the flesh firm, reducing the fishy smell, and making it easier to pack. Some premium products may have their bones removed after steaming, but most are left intact to preserve the calcium and natural texture. After the fish has been steamed and cooled, the canning process begins. In small and medium-sized production facilities, the fish is placed into tin cans mainly by hand at an average speed of 30 to 40 cans per minute, depending on the skill of the workers. Meanwhile, in large-capacity factories, the automatic canning system can operate continuously, producing thousands of cans per hour, ensuring uniformity in weight and minimizing manual labor. Depending on the specific process, some places will place the fish in the cans first and then add the auxiliary ingredients, while in some other lines the ingredients are added first, then the fish is placed on top. The auxiliary ingredients often include a few slices of carrots, hot peppers, chopped pickles, bay leaves or a few green peppercorns, all added by hand to ensure the right proportions and to preserve the traditional flavor of the product. After finishing the fish and ingredients, workers will pour tomato sauce, brine or vegetable oil into each box according to the prescribed quantity, usually from 100 to 150 ml. All ingredients are put into the box before proceeding to seal the seam, preparing for the next sterilization step. Next, the cans are transferred to a sterilization chamber where they are steamed at 115–121 dEC for about 30–45 minutes to completely destroy microorganisms and prolong their shelf life. After sterilization, the cans are cooled. The oil layer on the outside is washed off, then dried and labeled. Finally, the product is packed into cartons, usually 24 cans/carton, and stored in cold storage at temperatures between 0 dGSC and 2 dGSC until shipped. Beyond machinery and production lines, sardines carry deeper cultural and historical meaning. In Portugal, they are celebrated during Lisbon's June festivals, grilled on street corners and revered as a national symbol. In the United States, sardines once sparked an economic miracle in Monterey, California, where the booming canning industry of the early 20th century transformed a struggling coastal town into the sardine capital of the world. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey of sardines. Share how you enjoy this food in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more captivating stories about the world of food and agriculture.